marketers. Like we have so many professional with actual degrees, with actual experience that a lot of the competition don't. And and TechLead has allowed this project to grow organically. Like I always said,
He didn't hog up the spotlight and say, "Well, it's just my way or the highway."
the way
Because
I
if he
see
would have done that, that would have been a bad thing.
exactly. So the way I see it, and everybody should understand, it's like I keep saying it, we're like a little kid that can't swim, and technically grabbed us and tossed us in a pool, and either we drown or we learn to swim, and we're learning to swim, and
I feel
whenever
like
we he always adds to the liquidity pool, so we don't just collapse, out of
right,
existence. He's always gonna be there for when we really need it. But
mm,
he's just letting us swim and allowing us to find the talent within the community. He's also allowing the token to drop a little, like that everybody could have a chance to buy. Like buying at 160, one token is crazy. Now you get to buy around 39, 40. If we go to 35, 35. But like one thing's for sure, he's not gonna let this die. Just take
yeah,
it as an opportunity because the cheaper it goes, the more everybody could buy, and the less tokens in circulation, and the least tokens in Wells wallets. And the more paper hands we shake out, and the more wells that get shaken out, the more we control, and the more diluted the tokens are. So it actually benefits us what's happening right now. But you know, a lot of people are concerned, but like the admins and the mods and everybody in this community is working their asses off, and they have so many ideas. And now that we have the wallet together and TechLead's actually funding it, and we're gonna have the community funding it,
Yeah.
all these things could start going into light. Like they've been working their asses off behind the scenes. It's just they're not in the lounge chatting, holding everybody's hands. They're
yeah,
actually working.
yeah. It feels
And
like a startup. Yeah,
they have an announcement to make.
Yeah.
They like Pharaoh said, they have their own console. They have their separate Discord where they have their line console where they execute, execute, execute. The main server is more for to find talent within the community, listen to everybody's suggestions. If they have something they want to execute, they'll come to the community and be like, look, we're planning on doing this, this, and that. Do you guys agree, or what could we change? Like that's what the main server's for, and for everybody to have fun. And if everybody wants to go chill, a tweet, or help us get number one in Dex tools, because it's easier for us to just go to Dex tools and try to get us number one than paying 10K like did, wasting 10K on something we could do as a community, and get that 10K and put it back into developing the actual project.
With 10K?
Yeah, like you gotta pay to be number one in Dex tools, so
Oh, I got you.
that that's actually a waste of money. I was that's a waste of money. So they don't want to do that. I mean, if they do and we have the money and to flex like that, then good. But meanwhile, they're just focused on actually building use cases, executing the ideas that they've been working on, that the community has suggested, and that's where it's going. So just a good opportunity to buy, not to panic.
yeah. I like the tech startup feel of this community. We have a lot going on in the suggestions box. Like I was reading it the other day, and it's impressive what people are coming up with.
Yeah, totally agree. I mean, we have a community where some of the community members, oh, like Truth will set you free. Whenever he has the energy and time, he's teaching us about charts. We got professionals teaching us about charts.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Like the things he has said, like YouTube teaches you how to be dumb money. This guy's teaching you how to be smart money, how the market maker works. Like you're not gonna find this in another Discord, and all this information you're not really gonna really have a easy time finding on a YouTube channel where they don't want you to be smart money. There's very few YouTubers that actually want to teach you something. So to have someone streaming and teaching us charts and showing us our chart and analyzing our chart, that's huge. Like I'm telling you, we got a good community, and it's only growing.
But I have one question. That because I remember TechLead's one of his first videos after this came out was I want to hold it or I want to make this go to 100. I don't know if you guys remember that. I think it was his second video or so. That at least I wanted to go to 100. That I'd be satisfied with that. At that point, that's what he was saying. But then I remember him saying after it hit at 230 and then it went back down to about 140, he came out with another video that said it'll go 100x higher or something. So I'm just trying to figure out what is his own personal goal in that, just so that we have a better idea of that. You know what I mean?
Ultimately, $26,000 per coin. They'll make him a billionaire. Seriously, with the coins he holds. Yeah, I'm not saying this.
He's recently bought about a millions of crypto again. Like I think just a week ago or two.
What?
Just a week back or so, he bought $1 million worth of crypto again. So yeah, he's definitely making, money all over the crypto space.
He's definitely gonna make MM successful.
Who are we talking about?
TechLead's expectation for the coin, like, was
So
was
TechLead bought 1 million, or who bought 1 million more? Somebody said that somebody bought 1 million more.
I think he said he bought 1 million worth of what? Another crypto? Because I don't think he has bought any more MM or sold anything.
Yeah, I was just saying that. No, I remember one of his latest videos. If you look from just a week back or 2 weeks back, it said the headline was I bought another $1 million worth of crypto or something. This is the one after the Bitcoin crash video that came out. Because I follow his video.
He was just saying he sent it to the BSC bridge, I think. That he almost lost it.
Oh, right.
Yeah, he almost lost.
He spotted that little dot.
Yeah.
Nah, but for sure he's in this to become a billionaire. That I'm confident about.
Billionaire, yeah. He wants to be bigger than Vitalik. That's what he wants.
Yeah, this is definitely gonna give him that push. That's for sure. He keeps saying we're only 1% into the journey, and if you multiply that by the 99% from when he said it, that's approximately 22 to 26,000 per coin.
Lads, how are we standing with the holders? Did we pass 18,000?
We'll find out. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, 17,741 holders right now.
Yeah, we're struggling at this place. Yeah, 17,739.
Maybe people are just waiting.
Yeah, to see if this thing dumps lower and then accumulator.
Yeah, exactly. I've noticed when we have a floor or what we believe is a floor is when we get mostly more holders. So yeah, it could go both ways. This could just go back up, or this could just, for what you explained and for what you showed us in the chart, we're like in a intersection where we could go down to 30, or we could just climb back up to 50.
Yeah, I think 30 is the next strong support.
That's actually a good thing.